It's another beautiful day here on Lake Simcoe, and John and I are just setting up. We have a plan that this might be the spot. We don't know. We'll check it out. There's lots of people coming out and setting up here and out beyond us. There's a lot of people out here on the ice today. And there goes, I think it's Air Canada. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, somebody was here already. Put a fish finder in 2 holes, but it doesn't look like there's any blood around there, and they're only 8-inch holes. We prefer the 10-inch, eh? However, we'll get back to you in a bit.
It's a trout. It's a trout.
It's a trout? Oh well, he just lost it, but that's what happens, eh? It was close, but he'll try for it again. Okay, they're over there plotting, looking at the fish finder, deciding where to go. And we're waiting. And yeah, this is my helmet. So there's nothing here, so we're gonna move, but we were all set up nicely, you know. Everybody was set up nicely. There's a couple sleds coming up. But yeah, we're gonna move now. So if this is it, this is it. If we don't catch...
I just,
hold on a minute.
Updated. Yeah.
Huh. Satellite's a little bit slow with the radios today. It's kind of weird. It's like a delayed thing. Here come some people. It's probably Mike. Maybe not.
That Blake there?
Not sure. And they found us.
Gotta catch one.
What?
I caught one on Chrissy's line. I caught one on Chrissy's line.
Yeah, why was that? Because Chrissy went where?
Went pee. She was like a trout.
So what are
Went
you using then, eh?
Oh, look at your hook's bent a bit.
Oh yeah, well, don't. Just leave it. Works good.
James, you gotta put tougher hooks on.
Tougher hooks.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
I need something to bend that.
Okay, well, we'll worry about that later. So he tried my hole, because I was nature calling.
Peeing in my hole.
No,
Pardon?
not quite. He just happens to have the windbreak, you know. Away from everybody. So anyway, okay, we'll talk to you later.
See, I use the force.
So I really have